bonsoir, bonjour, and hello. It is your very good friend, Chef Gregory. As a special treat to you, the ancient fried rice recipe passed down for a millennia from abbot and monks from the Shaolin Temple. I'm having one of my special sous chefs prepare this for you to show you exactly how it's cooked. I hope you enjoy it. Welcome. With no further ado, I'd like to call on my sous chef in training, Monique. Monique, please.
G'day!
Oh, saffron catfish. Without any further ado, I would like to welcome my sous chef in training, Monique.
Hello, Chef Gregory.
Hello.
Hello, viewers.
Well, isn't it exciting? Monique is going to show us today the ancient fried rice recipe that I discovered on a dig in Milton Keynes. At a Roman, what's it called?
Don't know, it's not your bloody recipe.
A Roman dig.
At a Roman settlement. Thank you. Well, that's it. And
today...
no. And
And?
action with my hand action. Here we go. Ready? Oh, that's right. Okay. And
Today we'll be using
I don't think
brown...
I've said action yet. And I keep saying and you keep going. It's and action. Action's the word, not and. Okay. Are you ready? This is excellent. All right. And aha! Action.
Today we'll be using brown rice.
Oh, stop. You just
Too
put
high.
it out.
Too high. Yeah,
Yeah, that's okay. We're looking good. We're getting better and better every time. And action.
Today we'll be using brown rice and black rice. I like these because they have a unique nutty flavour. Then we have our oils, sesame and peanut. That helps the ingredients to keep their flavour better than other oils. We have our vegetables, peas, carrots and corn, eggs, chilli, garlic and bacon, and salt and pepper.
Is the chili optional?
Yeah, it is.
I like chili.
And the spring onions.
Today, I'm recommending the accoutrement for this meal, katak manis, which is sweet soy sauce.
Now we start off with our brown rice, which I have in a container here. These I rinse first to take the starch out while cooking. I use 1 cup. And I rinse. This helps remove the starch, stops the bloodiness in the cooking process. We take our container, empty our rice. Then we add our black rice, using 1/2 cup, again rinsing. We cover with warm water. Mix and pop onto cooking. Now we let our rice set and cook while we move on to the preparation of the other ingredient.
Action.
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 Now for the preparation. We'll chop our bacon, our garlic and our chilli, then the spring onions. We cut the fat from our bacon and the rind before chopping the bacon. We do use the fat for the cooking process. rice. Bubbling away beautifully. You'll see that the water has turned purple because of the black rice. We're melting the fat from the rind. Now we put the bacon pieces in and let them cook. Now we turn the bacon.
Is that okay?
Perfect. Now we're going to add a little more water to help with the cooking process. Now we're adding the base of the spring onions. A splash of sesame oil and a splash of peanut oil. It's crucial that the salt and pepper goes in on the eggs. The egg carries the flavours through the fried rice. A Chinese cook taught me how to do this.
Taking a long time for you to decide whether it's done or not.
It's not sure. It's either just done or just underdone. Peas a good tester. Almost ready. Now to add the rest of the ingredients. And fold through. We heat till it's a uniform temperature. This is our main course, Mongolian lamb.
Right, let's sample it and see how it went. Absolutely perfect. Oh, delicious. Well, that was absolutely delicious, wasn't it? So what we're going to do is say goodbye now, and you hop straight off and make this rice. It is authentic. It is an ancient Chinese recipe. Zaijian.
A Chinese cook taught me how to cook rice.
The panic, here we go. Just say the Chinese cook taught me how to do this. That's it. Ready? Hang on.
A Chinese cook.
No, stop. Look at the camera. You keep looking away from the camera. And again, ready? Hang on.
A Chinese cook taught me how to cook this.
You looked away.
Oh, did I? Well, quick.
Well, so you don't have to fiddle with that. Just don't touch it. Just.
A A Chinese cook taught me how to do this.
And you looked away then.
What
Ready?
did I?
Just
Hang
get
on.
ready again. Get ready. Ready?
A Chinese cook taught me how to do this.
You looked away again. Just look. A Chinese cook taught you to do this. So here we go again. We can do it 100 times. You will get it right though.
A Chinese cook taught me how to do this.
There's a gap there. Ready again? Try again. Hang on. And
A Chinese cook taught me how to do this.